While other gardeners might be thinking about winterizing some of their plants, here in California, I'm thinking about wintering my mom. Yep, that's right, my mom is back in town for a few months, and I've got a day out planned for her. Come along and watch where I take Mama. Hurry up, woman, we got stuff to do. I always come out, she's never ready. She says she's ready, she's never ready. So, ready for a week full of fun, Mom? I was excited to take her out to Manny's new location and to have her meet Jose. Because Jose at JC Nursery, he has lovely plants, beautiful perennials, and lovely grasses. And I knew Mom, and I know she likes her ornamental grasses and was going to be so excited.
Yeah, I like to grow healthy plants, so people can get happy when they get the products, happy plants, I believe my price is lower than other places. So the people like
plants out here.
yeah, people like to visit me sometimes just to talk because they like to know more about my job.
Absolutely. So people can feel free to come by and just talk plants with you and
Absolutely,
kind of bounce ideas
anytime.
off of you
Yeah,
about their gardens.
anytime. Yeah, anytime.
That's perfect. Great.
Yeah.
Grass?
Yes, ornamental grass.
Yeah, I wonder what kind is this?
That's a Lomandra Latino.
I always take plants back with me, and then if I take succulents back with me, I usually bring half of them back because they're going to freeze in the wintertime.
Okay.
You.
Oh, thank you for
It's been
coming.
really such a joy
Yeah.
to see you again and to see your
Anytime.
plants. They're
Okay.
just absolutely gorgeous, and I'll be back.
Oh, anytime. Yeah. Thank you for coming.
And how convenient is it that I could just step her right next door to look at Navarro's beautiful succulents and cacti. She was so excited, and she picked out a really beautiful euphorbia to take home with her. But that wasn't all. I had more planned for the trip. We headed to San Juan Bautista. We were on a mission. No, not the mission itself, but, on a mission to go to the antique shop. Sweet Pea's Antiques. One of my favorite places in San Juan Bautista. And if you're ever in the area, you have to stop by. It's a great antique shop. And owner Debbie, she'll meet you at the door, and she's really super, super friendly. I've gotten some really beautiful decorative pieces, ornamental art for the garden here. It's a great place. And Mom already found something she's taking home. They're so cute. Do you think you'll use them as plant stands, Mom?
I don't know.
You can sit on them or plant stands. You can totally sit on one and see.
Probably,
They're totally comfortable.
probably not. I don't know. I have a lot of rustic stuff, and I've been trying to move them around every year. I move them around in different places. So
Those are so cute.
I have no.
And here's just a little peek of some of the things that she has in her antique shop. It's such a cool little place, and it's got lots and lots of things to look at. So take your time and look over everything in the shop. When we were done, we had no more room in the back of the mulch mobile. It was all packed tight with stuff from the antique shop and plants from Jose and Manny, and then it was time to move on. Next stop, just down the road at Jardines for lunch. That's right, Mexican food, baby. And let me tell you, this is a beautiful place to go if you're ever in San Juan Bautista. After you antique shop, you go and have lunch at Jardines because it's beautiful and the seating outside is gorgeous. They have a beautiful garden because let me tell you, the garden there is beautiful and you can really get a lot of inspiration from some of the plants that they have there and some of the displays. I mean, look at this fountain. It's a succulent fountain and it's absolutely gorgeous. It was such a perfect way to end the day, and I'm so glad Mom's here and that I get to enjoy her for a couple months out of the year. She comes to stay here in California. So many adventures every year, and I put her to work in the garden, so you'll be seeing her.
Never any guacamole appetizer for